Viewers, how are you doing? Welcome to Jane's Wellness Hub. How is your weekend going? And so today we are spending our day out. We are spending our day out just enjoying the nature walk, you know, enjoying the nature walk and enjoying the green, nice environment, which is good, fresh air, no distractions, countryside feel. How about that? Enjoy yourself, take great care of yourself, and remember, Jane's Wellness Hub is here for your wellness needs. Remember to take care of yourself. Until next time, Jane's Wellness Hub loves you, and remember to tap that subscribe button because we are here for you. Cheers!